Is GST applicable on participation fees for professional training programs? The answer depends on who you are, a student or a member. This distinction is critical. A recent analysis by India highlights how GST applicability changes based on this status. Under entry number 66A of notification, number 12-view 2017, services provided by an educational institution to its students, faculty, and staff are exempt from GST. This exemption applies broadly, without restrictions on the type or duration of the service, as long as it's from an educational institution to its students. For students undergoing a professional orientation program before their final qualification, they are considered students of the institute. Courts have consistently ruled that education includes training for life and vocation, supporting a broad interpretation of this exemption. Therefore, participation fees charged to these students for mandatory or optional training programs are exempt from GST. However, the scenario changes completely once the individual qualifies and becomes a member of the professional body. For members, the relationship is no longer that of a student and institution. Thus, the same program fees become taxable at 18%. Since the specific exemption entry for students doesn't apply to members, the standard GST rate for professional services kicks in. Does it matter if the course is short, optional, or issues a separate certificate? For students, the answer is no. It remains exempt. Even charges for board and lodging, if they are part of this educational service to students, are likely exempt as a composite supply. While exemption notifications are strictly interpreted, the intent here is student welfare favoring the exemption view. To summarize, fees from students for these programs are exempt. Fees from members for the same programs are taxable. Understanding this distinction ensures correct compliance. For more detailed tax insights, stay tuned to India.